Hi, Linda Bowen here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. I've been telling you for the last few days about the special collection of product that is going to be released on February 1st. It is called All Together Collection, and the collection includes a bundle that will only be available while supplies last. It has the Here Together stamp set, and then it has dies that coordinate with them. They are called Here For You dies. It also has 10 natural stamping blends, colors that we have never had. Great colors for blending of skin tone. I shared my color chart a couple days ago with you. And it also has the Designer Series paper. Now the Designer Series paper and the stamp set and dies are a limited edition. That means that they are only going to be available while supplies last. Now you can buy the whole collection, the Designer Series paper, the stamp set, the dies, and the blends for $105. But during celebration, we have a special on our starter kit. So you could get this bundle plus $20 additional product of your choice and 2 free stamp sets for only $99. So something to think about getting that stamp set. Now I do have a special that is going to be starting on the 1st of February, and if you buy any piece of that collection, I will send you a tutorial with cards done with that collection of product. Also, if your order is $30 or more, I will send my monthly tutorial, which is the Tulip bundle. So I was part of a swap again with my advisory board alumni sisters. So I wanted to show you the cards that I got. Now this is the card that I made. I shared that with you a couple of days ago. Now this card looks very similar, same color things with the black and white and red. Now this color with the coloring of the Designer Series paper, later on Tuesday, we are going to be doing a blog hop with my team, We Be Stampin' team, and I used those colors of the Designer Series paper with the red Stampin' blends. I love that combination. Like this combination, kind of a different color, since the paper is black and white, we don't think about using it with vanillas and grays. So that's a fun thing. There's that die. Really like this card. It is the negative image from the die and then just the Designer Series paper in the background. This one is definitely a colorful card with the rainbow colors. And again, Here For You. Love that. Here it is with the glimmer paper, You Matter, with the pink hearts and the new rhinestones. Here's that Designer Series paper colored with the different Stampin' blends and using that black and white paper. Fun card there. This one is a fun fold. Love the hearts in that paper. Another one pretty with the pinks with that black and white, and then there's some gold foil in there. Here's a card done just with a stamp set and our celebration paper that you can get free with a $50 order with the rainbows. Every act of kindness changes the world. That's pretty. Love this. This is very nice watercoloring with the different new blends. Back to that black and white and red theme. Here is the stamp set embossed, and I like that embossed with the copper. I was going to bring my card back in and see how I didn't use the black to when I stamped those images, because I wanted it softer to look more skin tone. So I used the Sierra Sand to stamp. But I like that copper look with those skin tones. Here's a very pretty one with the rainbow paper. Hang in there. So using that she just stamped on the cardstock and didn't do any coloring. So that's kind of a fun look also. And yet another one with the pinks. I had not thought about using the pinks with the black and white, but like that, like the way she embossed with the embossing folder up at the top. There again, nice coloring with those blends to give us some really nice skin tones. So remember, this product will be available, the stamp set, the dies, and the designer series paper, limited edition, so we may run out. The Stampin' Blends, if they do go on back order, they will be available in another catalog, so we will be getting them back in. But all that sale starts at 2 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, February 1st. Hope you join me again real soon. Bye-bye.